Hello guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. This job update will be a complete work from home job update. It means if you are able to clear the job, no need to visit anywhere. You can continue your day-to-day roles and responsibilities from your home location. It will be a full-time role and any graduate can apply for this job. Also, there will be no target in this job. So, if you want to get all the details about the job, you can watch the entire video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job, and also I will provide you all the job description and details which you need to know before apply to this job. Also, in the video description area, I will provide you the job application link so that you can directly redirect in the job tab and you can directly apply for this specific role. So if you want to apply for this job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video and watch the entire video. If there is any doubt regarding the job, you can comment below so that I can resolve your query. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and discuss about the job. Hi guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new work from home based job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. So the company name is Fresh Print and here I have opened the career page of the company. The role is operations associate and it will be a complete work from home based job for all the freshers and experienced graduate. Any graduate can apply for this role and you can earn up to 50,000 rupees per month in this specific role. So please watch the video and after that you can find the application link in the video description. In this video I will provide you some tips and also I'll provide you all the details about the job so that you can easily create your resume and crack the job as soon as possible. So here first they have mentioned the company overview which you have to read for the HR round. So please read these things and gather some details about the company which will be helpful to clear the last round of interview, which is HR. Then they have mentioned the responsibilities. So you have to read the responsibilities properly because in this opportunity you have to work on these specific things. So here they have mentioned some technical or non-technical terms. So as it is operations role, 90% terms will be non-technical. So if you know these things, you can mention it in your resume. If you don't know, then make a resume. There you have to mention 2 to 3 points which are very important for this role. So first point is business communication. Second point is MS Office, which contains MS Excel, PowerPoint and Word as well. So you have to mention these things so that your resume should be shortlisted. And also there are some additional skills like analytical ability, customer focus, stakeholder management, customer management. So if you can mention these skills, that will be a plus for you. So here they have mentioned the order team and pre-order team details. So these will be your stakeholders and you have to collaborate with these teams. So please read this all. You should not know everything, but at least you should know what you need to do in this role so that after you're joining, when they start the training, it will be familiar for you to get all the details from the company and onboarded into a project as soon as possible. Here they have mentioned what we are looking for. So here they have mentioned some skills as well, like detail oriented individual, team player, high energy and a proactive approach, problem solving. So that you can mention in your resume as well. So essential requirements, they have mentioned some points. So from here also you can take out the specific keywords to mention in your resume. And they have mentioned the night shift, which is 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. as it will be a US company and you have to, your client will be also from US, so you have to be comfortable in this shift, and for this specific shift you will get the night allowances as well. So here they have provided the form, so you have to fill up the form with all of your details and then you can attach your resume. And if you have a LinkedIn profile, please optimize the profile and provide your LinkedIn profile link. Then you can submit the application. If your profile got shortlisted, the recruiter will call you or mail you as soon as possible for the interview purpose. If there is any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section And if you are new to this channel and if you are looking for a job or a job change, please subscribe Career Adda with Sangram YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. Job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care.